Today we're going to take a quick look at this camera rig for the Sony E10. The company did send it over and compensate me to make this video. So let's take a look at what comes in the box. First of all, you do get the rig itself, or the camera cage, and then you do get two different tools. This is going to be the one to screw in the bottom, and then also this piece here. So this is going to go through your strap holder, but then it does have another strap holder there, and then you just mount that, and that's how it's going to anchor onto there. And then it also has this Allen key. You don't really need this out of the box. I mean, I guess it's in case some of their Allen, if their Allen screws here come undone, maybe you can tighten them up. This is not something that I would probably keep with me, but this will just go right here on the bottom and magnetize, which is super nice. So to mount this is very easy, and keep in mind it does have protective silicone pieces here and here to protect your camera. So let's go ahead and mount this quickly, and I'll show you how it works. So I just popped my lens off there, and that's the 15mm 1.4 by Sony, just to give you a sample. Then I just simply push this up, and you can see that it kind of locks through there. And then I just want to take this little key and just turn it. Very simple to do. So turn it, locks into place, and then I can come here in the bottom and turn this, and it locks into place, no problem at all. So what this does is now, instead of just having one way to mount the camera, which is on the bottom, one screw, which I just mounted that screw into, now I have 6 screws on the bottom, 3 on the side. So these are all 1/4 20. So I get 3 on this side, 3 on this side, and 6 on the bottom. So you can see where I can position this camera a lot of different ways. And then I also have 2 cold shoes. So I got one here and then one on the side. It leaves my hot shoe open. And then, once again, I can just keep this on no matter what. So I use this in studio a lot. I keep this door open because I use a little dummy battery. I can keep that open, no problem, doesn't get in the way. Very easy to get in there and get what I need to out. So if I get my memory card or whatever in there, I can do that. And once again, this thing just stores right here. Easy to use. So let me throw a couple of accessories on. I'll throw this light just to show you how easy that is, either that way, or I can actually just put it on the side as well. And I love that both of these sides are open. So if I do have an accessory that has a little bit bigger of a plate, it's not going to hinder me from putting it in there. So you can see that. And then also, if I want to do vertical video with this, I want to come here on the side with my camera, then I can now shoot that way as well. So pretty cool little accessory. Definitely something that I'll be keeping on this camera moving forward, because I can use all these different places, the cold shoe and all the 1/4 20 mounts for different accessories. Hope this video gives you a good idea what comes in the box and how it works.